big chick like Angela, Angela, Angela. No problem. Oh, oh. Oh, oh. All of a
I think that's nice. Hi to the camera.
Hi. But I'm busy.
Oh, you're busy cooking, ne?
But you can still record
I can still record. Looks so yummy.
Hi.
Mommy must get the big one. How's the food, my love?
It's nice.
This is our food. That's my baby's plate, and this is my plate.
The full one.
Full one. I haven't eaten the whole day. I'm about to dig in. I can't believe I will finish that.
With my birthday, Mom.
Yeah, so that is our food.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
Yippee! Hooray! I'm 29 years old now. Now let's cut the cake. Thank you, my lovey.
Practice it, put it on the beat.
Hello. Hey guys, oh my gosh, welcome back to another video. Okay, so I just got back from the mall. The village that I'm staying at is right next to a mall. It's like example Alexandra Center. We live right next door to a mall, so I just got back from the mall. Give my gang, guys. We're like, okay. Sema kayak. But at least there's like a mall, like 30 seconds. It's a 30-second walk. So I just got back and I went to PEP home. So I wanted to show you what I got. I got this duvet inner for 189. I don't know if you can see. I got it for 189, and then the duvet inner, okay, the price reasonable, cool, sharp. The duvet cover though, hey, duvet covers start from 470, and I'm just like, huh, what? What? Hey, this economy is just choking us, like, what? Yeah, but at least this one is just 189, and it's so lovely. It's so, yeah, it's like a teddy bear type vibes. I love it. So so it's for a double bed. Yeah, I chose the one for a double bed because my bed is a double bed. Okay, cool. We'll get to the queen size and king size in our next place. Okay. So, but a double bed is still comfortable. A double bed is tea for somebody who's starting. So yeah, and then I got this as a toothpaste. No, toothpick holder. It's a toothpick holder. It looks like a flower. I don't know if you can see. It looks like a flower, but it's holding toothpicks inside. So I love that. I think it's so cute. It was 19 rand 99 at PEP Home. Then last but not least, I got this tissue twin saver. It was 9.99. I'm on budget, so we'll see the double ply a bit later. Okay, but twin saver is very good for one ply. It's very strong and good, and just it gets the job done. Okay, it was 9.99, but I got this at discount. So in total, I didn't spend that much. I spent 211 at PEP, and I spent, yeah, I got two of these, so I spent 20 rands at this camp. So that's what's up. Yeah, are you guys loving this type of vlog though? Like the single room living vlog, do you guys enjoy it? Like, I never really see comments that say I enjoy this, but I did see on the previous one they were saying congratulations, and I really appreciate that, because now it motivates me to like share part of my life that most people would never share. No, most people would never like vlog living in a room. You get it? Vlogging mostly are like apartments and all of that. So we get to that in a jiffy. So for now, this is what we got going on, and I'm so thankful. I have my own place. I'm paying my own rent, buy my own food, buy my own stuff, furniture, and all of that. So I love it. For me, that's what's up. Yeah, don't forget to join this family if you haven't subscribed. I still have a lot of beautiful content coming. It's not just single room living, but I will be posting single room living, and I will try to take it on the outside as well. Like when I go to the mall, I'll take you guys along and stuff like that. And I'm gonna do hair videos as well. I love hair, so I'm gonna be promoting wigs on YouTube. So when I post videos, hair videos, please watch those videos and please like. Because most people don't like watching hair videos, but please do watch them and please support me and the type of hair videos that I post. Please support me and give me like a huge thumbs up. Get it? So that's what's up. My baby went home. My daughter went home for like my daughter went home for the weekend. So each and every weekend she prefers to go home, and I'm like, okay, bye. Not like go, but it's just like, you wanna go? No problem. I don't have a problem. So yeah, I'm just here by myself now for the whole weekend. It's okay. I'm a little bored, but it's okay. I don't even go out, so it's just like, Not that I don't want to go out. Going out is just too expensive for me right now. I have so many things to buy in my place, so I'll go out once I've gotten whatever that I wanna go get. English is biting me, so okay, goodbye. Love you guys. Not goodbye, but like, see you guys on the next clip. That's what's up. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys. So guys, I wanted to show you guys the most beautiful thing about this room. Like, I know I love my headboard, but the best thing about this room is my baby's picture. I love my baby's like, she drew me and her. This is me and this is my baby. That I painted the walls. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Remember the other time there was like liquid. I poured the J's Fluid liquid the other time, but yeah, and then there's some blinds. I think I showed you that I got the blinds installed, but yeah, I painted, because that fluid I had put it like everywhere, but I painted the walls. I saw a lizard once, then I threw the liquid again over there, but I painted like the walls. There's still some leftover paint, so I'll just cover that up. Don't worry about that. Yeah, there's the little drops. I'll just cover them up with the leftover paint, but I did paint like all the walls because I want my room to be as cute as it can be. So that's what's up. Okay guys, so there's no electricity, so I just went to go buy some lunch. It was 36 rand. It's pap and chicken stew. This is how it looks. Yeah, let me just dig in. Yeah, my appetite levels. I don't even feel like eating, but I have to eat. It's been 2 days without having appetite. Like, I haven't eaten for 2 days. Let me just force myself. Okay. I haven't started on the Zipla that I said I was gonna start on. I don't know when I'll start. Maybe next week. Maybe I'll start on Zipla next week. Then I'll be able to eat. But like, this looks appetizing, so I think I'll be able to eat it. So that's what's up. Guys, so my fridge just arrived. So the fridge is finally placed in its position over there at the corner. So that's the only improvement. Say hi, my baby.
Hi.
My baby has an egg. She took a chicken egg, she put it on the blanket. She's waiting for it to hatch. So we're gonna wait for that. We wanna see that baby chick.
So it'll be ours.
It'll be ours.
So we can have it.
So that we can have a chick that's gonna grow into a chicken that's gonna make us many eggs. Right? Okay. Love that. So we got a fridge. It's finally settled in, you guys. I'll show you. Says coolly. It's time to grow up. Hi guys, welcome to the next clip. Or rather to my channel. I don't know. Hey guys, welcome. So today I'm gonna go into Cash Build. As you guys can see, Cash Build is like a type of place that sells like bricks, ceilings, everything that has to do with like building stuff. So what's happening is that my roof is leaking. So I just don't know if I should tell the lady, like the landlord, or just do it myself, because I'm a very DIY type of girl. So I think I should just do it myself. So I'm about to go buy the thing. at the cash build, and I'll do it myself later. And then I already painted the walls because the walls were ugly. I bought paint the other day and I painted the walls. Now the walls are looking better. Remember I said that I poured some liquid on the walls. I painted the walls. Now the walls are okay. And then I bought blinds. Then I put some blinds on the window. I bought it here. Everything I'll be buying here at this store right here. So now I'm about to buy the thing that's gonna prevent the roof from leaking. I don't know, should I do it myself or should I tell the landlord? But I'm already here, so let me just grab what I need to grab and just keep it moving. Yeah, let's get in. Guys, I'm very shy to go vlog outside. There is the laundry. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's the laundry over there. Can you guys see it? That's the baby's laundry. I'm shy to vlog outside. Yeah, so I'm